Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable notification center on the lock screen on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now before we go and change the settings, let's take a look on the lock screen here. If I swipe up, you can see I can go into my lock screen and open up the notification center. And if I now go into my home screen, from the home screen, let's go into settings. In settings, go down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now we will need to put in the lock screen passcode. Once you are in here, swipe up and go down and tap on notification center switch to turn it off, or tap on it to turn it on. Okay, so let's switch it off and see what happened on the lock screen now. So if I go back to the lock screen and if I swipe up, it will not show anything. It just basically pushes the time upwards and then bounces back down. It doesn't show the notifications anymore because we have disabled it. And that's it. Now we can go back in there and we can switch it back on. So I'll put in the passcode and go down and switch it back on. And that's it. So that's how you can switch it on or switch it off. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.